was our 18th mission. And we went back to Lawrenceburg about 6 weeks after that September 29th date. At this time, you'll notice that a lot of flak here along the Rhine, but France had been liberated. So all of these 88 millimeter guns that they were using for artillery pieces were now taken and put around strategic targets. When we went to Merseburg in September, they claimed to have about 500 guns. Now, 500 guns covering up an area like downtown Westerville. Just to give you some measure. A lot of lead flying up there. This mission, there were over 1,000 guns, twice as much. Now, we dropped our bottom load, but over the target, we got badly banged up. We lost 2 engines at least, a lot of flak damage. We decided to stay with the formation because we didn't want to be vulnerable to fighter attack, which the air Luftwaffe did. They like to pick off stragglers. When we finally got over the Ardennes, instead of going back on our flight path, I gave the pilot a direct heading to Dover, quickest point to get to England. We didn't make it. Well, just about we reached that point where the red dot is. Wally called me up to the flight deck and he said, you're hearing the engines, they're sputtering, they're barely going. The gasoline gauges on 4 engines were all pretty much empty. He said, we're gonna have to have the crew bail out. So go back to the waist, make sure everybody gets their chutes on, and when I ring the bell, tell them to get out. Well, at that point we were 1,000 feet or less. None of us had ever taken a parachute jump. They told us that if you jumped below 600 feet, forget it. So the bell rang, and I said, okay guys, out. Jump. Well, they just looked at me. We said, we're not going to jump, we're too low. So they were smart. So I ran back up to the flight deck and I told Wally, he said, told him the situation. He said, well, we'll have to set her down as best we can. And he turned to Ed, what do you think? And Ed said, sure, we can set her down. So we went back to the waist of the plane, got in crash landing position. I stayed on the earphones. He said, well, I found a place to land. We're going to be on the base leg right now. And pretty soon he said, we're on the final approach. We could see the plane drifting down. And we had landed in a freshly plowed farm field. Aircraft landed, no fire, nothing to burn, gasoline all gone. So we all walked away. God was our co-pilot. Now, some coincidences. This is a print from the National Geographic showing Sky Goddess over Brussels, or over Belgium and France, Franco border. You'll see geographical coordinates up there. Those are the exact geographical coordinates. 1 year later, we had crashed.